Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Z Reviews Tech. I'm sure many of you are asking about the Vernee X and how it performs in gaming, what kind of benchmark results it's getting, and most importantly, the battery life. So let's go through the benchmarks first. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Z Reviews Tech. I'm sure many of you are asking about the Vernee X and how it performs in gaming, what kind of benchmark results it's getting, and most importantly, the battery life. So let's go through the benchmark results first. I had to run in 2.2 a couple of times, and the first time I ran in 2.2, I got a score of about 51,000, which is a horrible score for the Helio P23. But the second time I ran in 2.2, I got a much better score of 61,000. And if you compare that to the Ulefone Power 3, the score is very close. I will do a full comparison between both phones soon, but we'll leave that for later. And the second benchmark I ran was the 3D Mark Slingshot Extreme, and I got very low scores here. They were actually about on par with the Ulefone Power 3 again. So yeah, again, I will do a full comparison for that. And if you look at this screenshot over here, basically the Xiaomi Mi 5, the Snapdragon 820, destroys this in terms of graphics. And next, I also ran Ice Storm. Let's keep on going through these screenshots over here. Ice Storm Extreme, and I got about 7,000. Now, this score is actually not that great. If you compare it to other phones, the Ice Storm Extreme score is actually definitely quite low. If you look at the Helio P25, it gets about 10,000 in this benchmark. Like the Mace Alpha X gets 10,000 versus 7,000 on the Ice Storm Extreme, which is not very good. The next benchmark I ran was PC Mark, and I got about 4,600 for PC Mark, and it's not bad as well. It's average for a Helio P23, and a Ulefone Power 3 got the same score. So let's play some games before we talk about battery life.
Strike 2 to Monarch. Target eliminated. Confirm extraction location. Over. Hold up. Come on. Let's go. Thanks. Extraction point B. Over. You heard him. Come on.
Okay, so battery life here is amazing and it's about on par with the Helio Power 3. So take a look at the battery life here. I'm just going to get to the battery life, and you see here I'm at 47% left, and I have 1 day and 3 hours left, and I have the phone on for about a day and 11 hours ago. And if you look at the screen on time, I'm at 6 hours and 55 minutes of screen on time, and this was incredibly heavy use. This was a lot of YouTube streaming, lots of taking photos, and lots of gaming and benchmarks as well. So I guarantee you guys that you will have great battery life with the Vernee X. Nobody will be disappointed with the battery life here. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. My full Vernee X review will be coming up very, very soon, so stay tuned for that as soon as possible. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Likes and subs would be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.